Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Today's video is going to be a all about brow tutorial. I do my brows, the products that I use, and relatively how long it takes me to do my brows. I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from these brows to these brows. Without further ado, I'm not going to hold you guys up like how I normally do, okay, because I know I could ramble, but I'm going to go right into the video. So the first thing is, I normally use Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I usually use that dip brow, but I haven't been liking it lately because it's been really drying, and it dries inside of the container very easily. I know that you're supposed to put it upside down for it to oxidize or not oxidize. I don't even know. I think it's not oxidized, but I don't really use it anymore. And lately, for the past couple of videos, I've been using this Maybelline eyeliner. Yes, I know, I said eyeliner. I've been using this Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner, and it's in the color brown. Alright, so I'm gonna just zoom in on myself so you can see everything while I'm doing it. Guys, I'm gonna be using a spoolie to brush my hairs upward. Brush whatever you have, baby girl, just brush it up. And you're gonna be using an angled brush. You don't have to use the angled brush I'm using, but I'm gonna be using an angled brush and this gel liner. I dip the brush in the pomade or the liner, I'm sorry, and then I wipe off the excess of whatever it is I don't want. Now for filling in my brows, I start from the right before the front, and I outline them with the first amount of product, and then I start brushing them and filling them in. And as you can see, as I'm going up on my brows, the product is just distributing everywhere. So it's getting a little bit lighter and a little bit more medium brown, but all in all, it's gonna all look really nice once you're done. I'm just gonna be brushing my hairs upward now and just using that, leftover product that's on the brush. And when I brush my hairs up, I'm just gonna dip my brush back inside that cap, and whatever is on that cap, I'm gonna be using that to fill in the front. As you guys can see right here, I kind of was being too hard with the brush, so I had to lighten my hand a little bit just so that it's gonna have a sweeping, clean finish. And I just do this because I want to accentuate the front of the hairs that I have in my brows. Using this Glossier Boy Brow, I'm just gonna be going in and coating my hairs with this little brush, this little product. It's so cute. And I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brown liner to kind of fill in all the sparse areas. This is completely optional. If you want to go back in with the eyeliner to do this part, it's completely up to you. And I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to coat my brows and to set it in place so that it doesn't move around or anything. This is the before and after look. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do my other brow, and hope you guys can enjoy the music because that's all I'm going to be playing right now. Enjoy! This is my final completed brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys learned something from this video. If I introduced you to some new products you didn't know you can use before, make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every single week of new tips and tricks that you guys can learn. Simple makeup looks. I'm all about the simple makeup looks, you guys know that. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys again in my next video. I love you guys.